Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device policy and who manages the Chromebook. This matters because you won't change admin settings yourself. Once done, identify the exact extension and why it helps your work. State the learning outcome. Make sure to grab screenshots, the Chrome Web Store listing, and a short, professional one-paragraph justification. Then, prepare a clear request for your teacher or IT admin. That first step sets the tone and makes approval more likely. Next, draft a concise, professional request that explains how the extension supports a specific class task, with evidence of educational benefit. Explain alternatives you tried, such as a progressive web app or an Android app, so they see you researched options. Make sure to list compatibility details like Chrome OS version and any classroom tools it integrates with. This helps IT evaluate risk and utility quickly. When you show responsibility, admins are more likely. Finally, submit your request to the teacher or IT department with attachments and a suggested timeline. Once approved, the admin can add the extension to the allowed list or push it via the Google Admin Console. You don't change settings yourself. If the request is denied, don't argue, ask politely for the specific concerns, offer mitigations, and propose a limited pilot. That troubleshooting step, seek feedback and adjust, often turns a rejection into a future approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.